Singink C381 dye ink for CL36 color cartridge. Singink CP900 black pigment ink for PG35 black cartridge. Remove the orange holder from the cartridge to reveal the ink nozzle and sponge at the bottom. For the CL36 color cartridge, use the C381 dye ink. For the PG35 black cartridge, use the CP900 black pigment ink. Open the ink bottle, pierce through the protective foil, and securely close the cap. Gently drip the ink onto the sponge until it stops absorbing ink, indicating it is full. If there is too much ink, use tissue paper to absorb any excess ink from the sponge. Turn the cartridge over to ensure no ink leaks. After refilling, the printer's resume button may light up, indicating the cartridge is low in ink. To bypass this, press and hold the resume button for 10 seconds. Your computer may show an unknown ink level, but printing can proceed as normal.